Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riffany Fitri Arfazziah. I want to tell you about my presentation. The title is Time Management Skills for Employers. Time management is a set of principles and tools that help you use your time more effectively. As employee time management consists of all the necessary skills that would help your employees do their job more productively. What are the benefits of time management at work? If you have ever wondered what your typical day at work looks like, you have probably concluded that that unexpected situation can happen often. Let's say that you had a clear schedule for the day, but your plans were interrupted by 3 meetings in a row. Although meeting can be beneficial for you, sometimes they are just unimportant and they waste your valuable time. The benefit of time management for employees. First is improved productivity. When workers know what their priorities are, they won't waste any valuable time on other assignments. Instead, they will tackle the most important tasks as soon as they arrive at work. Second, career growth. Completing completing the assignment on time makes an employee trustworthy. In addition, if that person has been working for a company for a few years, that means that he or she already has a reputation as a valuable, experienced worker. Thanks to these qualities, this employee has a great chance of being promoted or receiving a similar reward from the supervisor. Third is better work-life balance. You will probably agree that there's no better feeling than finishing your work for the day and then enjoying your free time. With proper time management technique, achieving a work-life balance is quite possible. The importance of time management training for employees. Time management is valuable not only for employers but employees too. In this section, we'll emphasize the importance of time management for employees. In order to increase productivity and strengthen the time management abilities of your employees, you should organize time management training. The main advantage of organizing time management training for employees. First is finding out what's causing the unproductive times at work. Second, making better plans. Third, keeping manager-employees communication open. Fourth, delegating work properly. Time management training strategies. First is time management training group activities. Manager can organize time management training for their employees through various group activities such as workshop or team event. Second, on-the-job training. This is the type of time management training that happens during work hours. A team lead or a manager is responsible for leading the training. The most essential topic that should be covered during the training are setting goals, learning how to prioritize, and organizing a workday according to employee daily responsibilities. Third is online time management courses. This is a perfect option for employees who are already too busy during their working hours. When it comes to online courses, each employee can choose when he or she will deal with the time management courses throughout the week. I think enough. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.